Good morning. If you're watching this in the afternoon or evening, good afternoon and good night.
Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Taking a little trip to the third room. Awesome view. It's a group dining area. Na, na, na. Okay, that's pretty cool. A nice grill there. Might be an opportunity for a chili dog retreat at this spot. Grill up some dogs. Alright, so this is nice. Looks like someone just checked out of that room. I'll wait till that's clean though. So this is the little cottage on the top level here. Okay, cool. I see that. Little Wendy. So this one you have your own mini kitchen. Now that's cool. Little sink there. Cooking, eating utensils. Little stove there. This is like a window. If you are bunking, you come in here with some homies, you can wave to each other through that window. Do a little I Love Lucy.
My gosh, it is that low.
Alright, it's pretty cool. Got windows on both sides. It's really breezy up here. You can see how breezy it is. It is feeling great. And you have, so the upper floor, you have this awesome view. So this is dope. These windows open up. Right? So you can open these guys. Cool. That goes in that direction. And you have this guy here. Alright. So yeah, it's pretty cool. You get a lot of fresh breeze. Nice sink, nice vanity. Really cool style going on there. All custom artwork all over the place, by the way. You got your brass fixtures there, rainfall shower head. Super cool. All of the light fixtures has this real antique kind of style, which is really cool. Really cool. Candles, ooh, with some fresh oil. Lighter. Fresh spring water is provided to you every day, and there's just a bouquet in every room that has fresh flowers. Dalat is flower city, so there's just flowers everywhere. So you got a little hot water kettle there. For your insect repellent, which has been very, very awesome. I have to tell you, during this stay here, I have a nice cooking stove here by Halfle. Nice. This is this high-end brand there. You have your steamer for your clothes. So to kind of iron your shirt, steam, iron, boom, right there provided for you, and your hair dryer. So you can look fresh and be fresh before you head out. Yeah. So there are power outlets, ample around. Plug in your phones, your devices and etc. I normally travel with a multi-prong extension cable. I normally keep that with me so that I can just have multiple outlets at one. And of course, I bring a lot of gear, and I got a lot of stuff to keep charged. So cool, man.
One day, I believe in the future. I believe in the past. I believe what you truly desire, you can bring to pass. All you need is a focus and a story to hold, and the faith that you can achieve what's inside your soul. Someday we'll make it on by. Other days we only can try. Either way, no matter what people say, either way